Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making flan. So I just finished watching a video by JoyceCurls on how to make basic flan. So I'll leave the video link down below so you guys can check it out. So I'm lactose intolerant, so I'm sensitive to milk. So I'm trying to see how can I make flan that won't be so harsh on my stomach. So instead, we're going to be using coconut milk. So it's going to be like a coconut flan. So all you're going to need is coconut milk, sweetened condensed milk, a teaspoon of vanilla paste, 1 cup of sugar, 4 eggs, a blender, a pan, and then another pan to put that pan in there, and that is it. Who knew that making flan is so easy? I always thought that it was like an all-day thing or some tasking thing, but it's actually pretty simple. So if you want to see how I'm going to make this flan, then keep on watching. Okay, so now we're going to make the caramel. So we're going to use that 1 cup of sugar, and you're going to need half a cup of water. Okay, so we're going to turn on the stove. We're gonna put it like around medium heat. Okay, we're gonna put the sugar. And now we're going to put the half a cup of water. We're going to just mix it and then just wait for it to start boiling, and then we'll make sure that we keep stirring in between so that our sugar does not get burned. You'll see it start to get clear as the sugar is melted, but we're going to wait until the sugar has some color, until it has a nice warm caramel color. Okay, so with this method, it takes some time. You have to boil and boil and boil. And once, oh look, it's ready. Once it starts to get some color, that is when you start stirring constantly. And now we stop. Now when we have this beautiful burnt color, this beautiful color. So now we're gonna add this into the pan that we're going to bake the flan in. Okay guys, so now we're up to the fun part. So now we're going to blend our ingredients because our caramel for our flan is ready. So we're going to crack the 4 eggs and put them in the blender. Okay, so we're gonna take our coconut milk and we're gonna put this in. And then we're going to take our sweetened condensed milk. So my oven is already preheated for 350. Okay, so 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So make sure you get that going, because as soon as this is ready, we're going to pour it over the caramel and put it in the oven. Now we're going to put a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. We're gonna pour it in because that didn't fit. Okay, now we're going to put this in the blender. It's already in the blender. Okay, so now we're gonna blend up all the ingredients.
Is it on?
Oh, it's not plugged in. Okay, so let's get this in. Ooh, look how foamy it is. Okay, so this is el baño de Maria. We have hot water and we have our flan.
So open the
Do a slow-mo me putting them on. Alright, so let's put it in the oven. Ooh. Oh my gosh. This is heavy. Oh. I'm using my core strength right now. Okay, so we'll see that in an hour. In the meantime, we're gonna clean. Okay guys, so I took it out of the oven. It's been like an hour and some change. And now we're going to cut around it with the knife so that we can flip it and put it on a nice plate, any plate that you have, to showcase your flan. Okay, so let's cut it. Oh wait, okay. So in the video, she puts the plate on top of this. So I was about to do un desastre. Okay. There's a little far. There's like a gap between this and the plate. Tengo miedo. Oh my god. Damaris, you better not break. Okay, ready, set, muscles. It's like layered lasagna. What? So is it cooked? Now that we can see the tripas, like the inside and everything. So it's cooked. All right, let's try to fix this. Sir, ma'am, excuse me. Oh my gosh! Now I don't know which one was the middle and which one was the side.
Just end it. Just end it.
Vamos amor. That is. This one I think I could be in the kitchen. Okay, todavía. It's still juicy. Let's decorate like a sous chef, right? So let's try this coconut flancito. It's got the right texture. It looks just like the one that she made, but just, you know, 1 can less of, well, 2 cans less of dairy. Okay, shut up and eat it. Okay. It's good. It has a light coconut taste. I thought it would be a little bit more coconutty, but it's actually just a light coconut taste. It's still good. It's nice and creamy. Here, Nicole, this is the mukbang you wanted. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. It was a little bit of a fail, but not on the flavor, just on the presentation. So I think if I would have flipped it a little slower, it would have been okay. Alright, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe. Bye, friends.